my name is Chuck Bolkins, and I'm here today to introduce the latest new product from Unist, the Unist Revolution. The Revolution system was designed to control minimum quantity lubrication, or MQL, by interfacing with the program on a CNC machine. Interfacing with the CNC controls allows an operator to optimize their production by tailoring the MQL output quantity for each particular tool or operation. The Unist Revolution was designed for maximum versatility and can be used on a wide variety of machines, including both horizontal and vertical machining centers, as well as CNC lathes. The system is available with 1 or 2 MQL outputs. Each output can be used for either external spray or through the spindle operation for use with tools that have internal coolant passages. For through the spindle applications, the system can be used with both single or dual channel rotary unions. Each output includes both a positive displacement fluid metering pump and a proportional air control valve. The system also includes a solenoid valve controlled air blow-off with an adjustable pulsed output to assist in chip removal when required. The Revolution includes several performance monitoring features, such as an air pressure monitor, which lets you know when the air pressure is too low before you ruin tools or parts. A fluid level monitor, which alerts you when it's time to refill the reservoir. An additional feature is a fluid flow monitor, which monitors the output of each pump to ensure fluid is delivered to the cutting tool each and every time the pump cycles. When there is an alarm, the system alerts the operator with a red LED and beeper. Additionally, the system includes an alarm relay output that can be interfaced with the machine or an external alarm annunciator. One other optional feature is an integral high-low level sensor that can be used to control a solenoid valve for automatic reservoir refill from pressurized central fluid supply systems. The Revolution system interfaces directly with CNC machines through the use of M-codes. It works with confirmation, pulsed, or latched M-codes. Although all of these M-code types work, confirmation M-codes provide the fastest system response time. The patent-pending design of the Revolution provides the most operational flexibility while using a limited number of the M-codes available on a machine. The M-codes get written into the CNC program to control operation of the Revolution. The design of the Revolution allows independent programming of each injector pump output rate along with actuation of the air blow-off feature, all with M-codes. The Revolution system includes a simple user interface with an LCD screen and a tactile membrane switch. On the membrane switch, there are several buttons, including the configuration button, which is used to set up the system initially and modify system settings, the alarm button, which is used to access alarm screens and view active alarm conditions, the enter button, which is used to confirm menu selections and data entries, and if you make any mistakes on those data entries, there's an escape button which will return to the previous screen or cancel an operation. To scroll through the menus on the system, there are up and down arrow buttons. Additionally, on the top of the display, above the LCD, there are several LEDs for monitoring the M-code inputs. These can be used to confirm that the M-codes are coming from the machine and to confirm that the system is acknowledging them. The CNC program can set the MQL output to 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of the maximum rate depending on the number of M-code pulses. As illustrated by the graph, one M-code pulse provides an output of 25%, 2 pulses 50%, 3 pulses 75%, and 4 pulses 100%. When there's no longer a need for MQL lubrication, 5 pulses will turn the pump off. The ability to set the maximum system pump rate in the system configuration allows operator control of the revolution output range. For example, you could set the maximum output of 100 drops per minute, and then 50% would be 50 drops per minute, or you could set the maximum output rate to 40 drops per minute, and then 50% of the maximum would be 20 drops per minute. In this way, you can maximize the resolution of the system over the range you would like to use it in. For reference, the maximum pulse rate range is 0 to 255 pulses per minute, and each pulse delivers 1 drop, or about 1/30th of a milliliter of lubricant. The Revolution air blow-off actuation can be controlled from an independent M-code or configured to operate simultaneously with the fluid outputs. The air blow-off can be continuous or pulsed, and you can control the frequency and the duty cycle of the pulses in the system configuration. Frequency determines the number of air pulses per minute, whereas duty cycle determines how long each pulse of air will last. By adjusting each of these appropriately, you can maximize the effectiveness of the air blow-off while minimizing the amount of air that's consumed. In conclusion, the Revolution was designed to optimize the benefits of MQL on CNC machines, and embracing MQL technology can greatly benefit your operations in several ways. First of all, MQL is business friendly. It saves money by increasing tool life, eliminating flood coolants and their associated costs, and improving machine reliability and uptime. Secondly, MQL is employee-friendly. It's beneficial to employees because it can eliminate slippery floors and dermatitis caused by contact with flood coolants. Finally, MQL is environmentally friendly. It's good for the global environment because it minimizes fluid usage and waste. Unist Coolube MQL lubricants are all natural, renewable, and biodegradable. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and I hope you'll experience the future of MQL technology today with the Unist Revolution.